Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password in Youper AI. Whether you want to update your password for security reasons or simply want something easier to remember, changing your Youper AI password is quick and easy. First of all, open up the Youper AI application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of Youper AI, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access the settings menu. Now, find the Change Password button and tap on it. Go ahead and type down your new password in the text box that appears on the screen. Make sure that your password contains these criteria at the bottom. Write down your password and tap on Update, and that will help you change your password. But before that, you will be asked to enter your current password for your account. Type it down, make sure the password is correct so that you can change it to something else. After typing down your current password, tap on Confirm. And that's how you easily change your password on Youper. Next time trying to sign in, you must enter this newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.